Hello, everybody. Hi, my name's Todd. I'm an English teacher and the creator of Ello. And in this lesson, we are going to go over a free test that you can do to check your English speaking fluency. Now, this test is a little different than most tests because it's self graded, which means you will have to give yourself a grade, but it's a very, very easy grading system. Very easy. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to test two things. We are going to test your speed at hearing a question and thinking of a response and then saying a response. And this test has a very easy scoring system. There are 5 questions: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you can answer a question and say two things, just two things, in 8 seconds, then you did a really good job. That's really good. If you cannot say two things, maybe you say one thing, then your English is good, but it could be better. Now, this is very important in English, in any language. When you talk to somebody in English, when you answer a question, immediately the person talking to you is testing you. They're seeing how good is your English. If your response time is slow, it's not good. The person might not want to talk to you, right? So, this is actually very important. And a lot of speaking tests do not check this. You need to see how quickly can you hear something without reading and then give a very simple answer and respond. So, in this test, there is no reading at all. And it's only requires that you give a short answer. For each question, can you say two things? Now we have the scoring system right here. Again, try to say two things for each question. I'm not doing too good on my grammar there. I have to fix that. A perfect score is 10 points and two responses for 5 questions, right? So you need to do 2 points, 2 points, 2 points, 2 points, 2 points. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Now we're going to start off easy. This is A1 beginner, and we will be talking about favorite foods. So A1, pretty easy. I will try to say two things for every question. Here we go.
Question 1. What foods do you like?
Oh, I like many foods, but I love vegetables, and I love eggplant, and I love asparagus.
Question 2. What fruits do you like?
Oh, I like all kinds of fruits. My favorite fruit is probably watermelon, but I also like strawberries.
Question 3. What vegetables do you like?
I like a lot of vegetables. Again, I like asparagus and eggplant. I also like broccoli, and I love onions.
Question 4. What foods do you like together?
I love oatmeal with blueberries. That's delicious. I love peanut butter on bread. Yeah, lots of combinations.
Question 5. What foods do you dislike?
I don't like pineapple. I absolutely hate pineapple, and I don't like cooked carrots. All right, but I'm done. Now, as you can see, I could answer the questions quite quickly and say two things for each question. So you want to do the same thing. Can you say two things for each question? I know you can do it. Good luck with this assignment. Now, this is for beginners. We have some more tests. We have another one for beginners, A1. We have one for B1, a two for B1, sorry, and two for C1. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thanks so much, and talk to you soon.